Hello everyone, myself Chetna Sarma and here I am with the next video of tense which is on present perfect tense. The present perfect tense refers to an action or state that either occurred at an indefinite time in the past or began in the past and continued to the present time. This verb tense is used to indicate a link between the present and the past. The time of the action is before now, but not specified or fixed, and we are often more interested in the result than in the action itself. So let us now have a brief knowledge on the use of present perfect tense with various examples. The present perfect tense is used to describe number 1, past events when we think more of their effect in the present, that is the result, than of the action itself. For example, Gopi has eaten all the biscuits, which implies there are not any left for anyone. Another example, I have cut my finger. Here, the incident happened in the past for which he is bleeding now. So we are more concerned with the result. Number 2, to indicate completed activities in the immediate past or recent events. Here we often use the word just, J-U-S-T. For example, he has just gone out. They have just won a jackpot. I have repaired my car. So you see, all these activities have completed in the recent or immediate past. There is no mention of a definite time in such cases. Number 3. To denote an action beginning at some time in the past, continuing up to the present moment. For example, he has been ill since last week. I have known him for a long time. So here the action have started at some point of time in the past and it is still continuing. That means it still continues. Number 4. To express personal experiences. For example, I have never been to Australia. Number 5. To denote actions which are completed and the time is not important to be mentioned. For example, he has read War and Peace. So here the book has been completed by the reader, but by when, that is not important to be known. Number 6. Actions repeated in an unspecified period between the past and the present or now. For example, we have eaten at that restaurant many times. So here the subject has visited a particular restaurant for multiple times, but when they visited, at what particular point of time, which day, what time, that is not important to be known. So to summarize, we use the present perfect tense to express something that has happened at some point in our lives before now, and the exact time is not important. It is all about the period of time. Now next we will learn about the formation of the present perfect tense. It goes as subject plus has or have plus third form of the verb, that is the past participle, plus complement. It is important to note here that when we use he or she or it as a subject, we use has with it, HAS. And when we use I or you or we or they as the subject, we use have with it. For example, he has seen Star Wars many times. I have seen Star Wars many times. In the same format, an example of a negative sentence under present perfect tense will be I have not learnt how to drive. He has not learnt how to drive. Also, the format for a negative sentence under present perfect tense is subject plus has or have plus not plus third form of the verb plus complement. Similarly, an interrogative sentence under present perfect tense format will be, have you found your book? Question mark. Has she completed the work? Question mark. That is, the structure for an interrogative sentence under present perfect tense is has or have plus subject plus third form of the verb plus complement question mark. So this was all about present perfect tense. Do practice and continue to learn more. Let me know if there are any questions or doubt. Thank you.